Football is more than just a game. It's a way of life for many. It's a source of joy for millions around the world, a reason to come together and share in the excitement. When the whistle blows, we forget our worries, our troubles fade away, and we are united in the moment. We cheer, we shout, we celebrate together, creating memories that last a lifetime. Football is passion, excitement, and pure emotion. It's the heartbeat of communities and the soul of nations. Whether you're playing in the park or watching a World Cup final, football has a magical way of bringing people together, transcending boundaries and differences. It's a universal language that everyone understands, a bridge that connects us all. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of a goal, these are moments that stay with us forever, etched in our hearts and minds. Football teaches us valuable life lessons, shaping our character and resilience. It teaches us about teamwork, perseverance, and the importance of never giving up, no matter how tough the challenge. It shows us that anything is possible if we work together, believe in each other, and strive for a common goal. Football is a celebration of the human spirit, a testament to our shared love for the beautiful game. Football has an incredible power to unite people. From children playing in the streets to professional athletes competing at the highest level, football creates a sense of community. It breaks down barriers and brings people from all walks of life together. We've all seen the joy on a child's face when they score their first goal. That feeling of accomplishment is universal. It's a feeling that transcends language, culture, and background. Football is a game for everyone. Football fans are a family. We share a common love for the beautiful game. We celebrate victories together and we console each other in defeat. Football creates lifelong friendships and memories. Football is the most watched sport in the world, captivating audiences from every corner of the globe. From the high-octane matches of the English Premier League to the passionate clashes in the Spanish La Liga, from the prestigious UEFA Champions League to the grand spectacle of the FIFA World Cup, football captivates billions of fans worldwide, transcending borders and cultures. These leagues and tournaments showcase the best players and teams, each bringing their unique flair and talent to the pitch, providing us with unforgettable moments of skill, drama, and excitement that linger in our memories. Every 4 years, the world comes together for the FIFA World Cup, a tournament that transcends sport. It's a tournament that unites nations and celebrates the global appeal of football, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared joy. The World Cup is a testament to the power of sport to bring people together, creating moments of collective euphoria. Football is more than just a game. It's a global phenomenon that resonates deeply with people of all ages. It's a shared passion that connects people from all corners of the earth, bridging gaps and building friendships. Whether you're in Brazil, England, or Japan, the love for football is the same, uniting us in our enthusiasm. The beautiful game, as it's often called, has an unparalleled ability to bring people together, creating a universal language of joy and excitement. Section 4, Fans Without Borders. Football fans are a diverse group, representing every culture, language, and background. But despite our differences, we are united by our love for the beautiful game. We wear our team's colors with pride, and we cheer them on with all our hearts. In football, there are no borders. We are all part of one global family. We celebrate each other's successes, and we empathize with each other's defeats. Football teaches us to embrace diversity and to appreciate the beauty of different cultures. The beauty of football lies in its ability to unite us. It reminds us that we are all connected by our shared humanity. Football is a powerful tool for promoting peace, understanding, and tolerance. Section 5:11 as one. In football, every player on the field has an important role to play. Each position is crucial, and the success of the team depends on how well these roles are executed. Just like in a family, each member contributes to the team's success. The joy of scoring a goal is shared by everyone, from the goalkeeper to the forwards. The goalkeeper is like the protector, the defenders are the guardians, the midfielders are the connectors, and the forwards are the finishers. Each role is distinct yet interconnected. Each position requires a unique set of skills and attributes. The diversity in skills makes the team versatile and adaptable to different situations on the field. The goalkeeper needs to be brave and agile, always ready to make split-second decisions to keep the ball out of the net. The defenders need to be strong and disciplined, forming the backbone of the team's defense and preventing the opposition from scoring. The midfielders need to be creative and skillful, acting as the engine of the team by linking defense and attack seamlessly. And the forwards need to be clinical and opportunistic, always ready to capitalize on any chance to score. But no matter what position a player occupies, they are all working towards a common goal: to win the game. This unity is what makes a team truly formidable. Football teaches us that we are stronger together than we are alone. The collective effort and mutual support are what drive the team forward. It's a reminder that teamwork is essential for success in all aspects of life. Whether on the field or in everyday situations, working together can help us achieve our goals and overcome challenges.